Did you know you can start making a great income working from home, even if you don't have years of experience or huge investment? It might sound impossible, but it's absolutely true. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 remote jobs that pay beginners really well. These positions prioritize communication and adaptability over experience, and many companies even offer on-the-job training. So if you're ready to start earning from home, stay tuned to find out which remote job could be your perfect fit. 1. Remote Sales and Enrollment Representative. Let's start with remote sales and enrollment representatives. This is one of the highest paying entry-level roles you can get, and it's a fantastic way to break into the world of remote work. In this role, you'll guide potential customers through services or benefits programs, helping them make informed decisions. You'll be handling inbound or outbound calls, answering questions, and explaining the benefits of the products or services you're selling. The best part, the job is often commission-based, meaning the more sales you close, the higher your earnings. The average salary for a remote sales and enrollment representative ranges from $50,000 to $75,000 per year, which can include base pay plus commission. This role requires persuasion skills, verbal communication abilities, and proficiency in using CRM tools, customer relationship management tools like Salesforce or HubSpot. Don't worry if you don't know how to use them right away. Many companies provide on-the-job training to help you get up to speed. You'll also learn how to navigate client objections and craft compelling offers to encourage purchases. This role is in demand across various industries, including insurance, telecommunications, and healthcare. You can easily find these roles by searching for entry-level sales representative or enrollment representative positions. Companies like FBSBL and various insurance or telecom companies frequently offer these positions. If you enjoy working with people, are comfortable speaking on the phone, and have a knack for convincing others, this role is ideal. Plus, many companies offer remote training, so you can start from the comfort of your home without needing to commute. As you gain experience and refine your sales techniques, you can gradually increase your earnings by landing more clients and closing more deals. This career path also provides opportunities for advancement, where you can move into higher-paying roles like sales management or customer retention. Overall, remote sales and enrollment representatives can earn competitive pay while gaining valuable skills that can be transferred to a wide range of other sales roles. 2. Virtual Assistant VA. Next up, let's talk about one of the most popular and accessible remote jobs, Virtual Assistant VA. As a VA, you'll help businesses with administrative tasks such as scheduling meetings, answering emails, and managing social media accounts. This job is perfect for someone who enjoys organizing and managing tasks efficiently. Plus, the demand for virtual assistants is only growing, making it a great opportunity for beginners. Virtual assistants can expect to earn between $40,000 and $82,000 per year, depending on your experience and the complexity of the tasks you handle. The key skills needed are excellent organization, time management, and proficiency in tools like Google Workspace, Trello, or other project management software. Even if you're new to these tools, many companies provide training to get you up to speed. Finding VA jobs is easy. Agencies like Belay or Time, etc. are great places to start. Alternatively, you can also search on platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn. The flexibility of this role is one of its main attractions, as you can work with different clients, from startups to larger corporations, and even specialize in areas such as social media management or customer support. This role offers growth opportunities, and as you specialize, you can increase your earning potential over time. 3. Customer Success or Client Engagement Specialist. For those who enjoy helping people and are good at building relationships, a Customer Success or Client Engagement Specialist role might be the perfect fit. This position goes beyond traditional customer support by focusing on onboarding new clients and ensuring they get the most value from the product or service they've purchased. You'll assist clients in setting up their accounts, provide training on how to use products or services, and offer ongoing support to ensure they are satisfied and successful. The Customer Success Specialist role typically pays between $55,000 and $75,000 per year. Key skills for this job include problem solving, patience, and the ability to handle technical troubleshooting. In addition to excellent communication skills, you'll also need to understand the product or service you're supporting. However, most companies provide comprehensive training, so you'll be well prepared for your role. Many of these positions are available at tech companies or SaaS, software as a service, businesses. You can easily find these roles on job boards like remote.co or We Work Remotely. If you enjoy helping people succeed with technology or a new service, this role is a great fit. As you grow in the role, there are plenty of opportunities to advance to more senior customer success positions or even move into sales or marketing roles, depending on your interests. A big part of customer success is developing long-term relationships with clients, so the more you understand their needs, the better you can serve them. As you gain experience, you'll be able to take on larger accounts and tackle more complex customer needs. This makes customer success a highly rewarding and lucrative career path for those who enjoy both problem-solving and relationship building. 4. AI trainer or data annotator. In 2026, one of the most in-demand jobs is being an AI trainer or data annotator. As artificial intelligence (AI) becomes a bigger part of our daily lives, the need for people to evaluate AI responses for accuracy and logic is also growing. This job requires no technical background, just a keen eye for detail, and the ability to spot errors in language or logic. AI trainers help improve chatbots and other AI tools by ensuring they respond appropriately to user queries. AI trainers and data annotators typically earn between $15 and $40 per hour, which adds up to around $31,000 to $83,000 annually for full-time workers. This makes it a great entry-level opportunity in the tech industry. Many companies in the AI space, like dataannotation.tech and Invisible Technologies, offer these roles. The tasks usually involve reviewing AI-generated content and providing feedback on how the system can be improved. The best part about this job is that you don't need any specialized technical skills to get started. You simply need to have strong language fluency and an eye for detail. Most companies provide training, so you can jump in even if you've never worked with AI before. As AI continues to evolve, the demand for skilled AI trainers will only increase, and this job has the potential for long-term growth. This role can be done remotely and offers flexible hours, so you can work from anywhere at your convenience. Plus, since AI is a rapidly growing field, you can gain experience in a cutting-edge industry and even expand into other roles like AI project management or AI quality assurance as your skills grow. 5. Remote SEO or digital project assistant. The final role on our list is remote SEO or digital project assistant. As businesses continue to expand online, the need for SEO specialists and digital project assistants has increased. This job typically involves assisting marketing teams with SEO tasks like keyword research, optimizing blog posts, and tracking project deadlines. While SEO work can get complex, entry-level assistants focus on supporting the main SEO strategy by completing simpler tasks. As a remote SEO assistant, you can earn between $48,000 and $65,000 per year, depending on the company and the tasks you handle. Key skills include a basic understanding of SEO principles, research capabilities, and familiarity with project management software like Trello or Asana. While the job doesn't require deep technical knowledge, it's beneficial to learn the basics of SEO to excel in the role. You can find these positions on job boards like LinkedIn Jobs or FlexJobs. As an SEO assistant, you'll work alongside experienced marketers and learn valuable skills that can lead to higher-paying roles in SEO management or digital marketing. As you become more familiar with SEO tools like Google Analytics, you can increase your earning potential and take on more advanced tasks. The role offers remote work flexibility, allowing you to balance your schedule while gaining hands-on experience in the world of digital marketing. There you have it, 5 remote jobs that pay beginners well and offer great earning potential. Whether you're interested in sales, customer success, or digital marketing, these positions allow you to get started without years of experience. The best part, many of these positions offer on-the-job training, so you can start earning while you learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on finding remote work and making money online. Start applying today and get on the path to a successful remote career.